Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to elaborate the guideline that is issued by APS. You can also say it is a kind of news for all the applicants who applied for Academic Evaluation Center or APS certificates. In this guideline, they answered like lot of the question, clarify lot of the things that is frequently been asked by the students. So make sure to watch the video till end, and now let's start the video. So first of all, it says, dear applicants, allegation of malpractice and bribery have surfaced on social media channels. APS take these allegations very seriously and would therefore like to clarify a few points. As you can see that in the first point only, they clarifies that like these type of allegations are not going to tolerated by the staff or their faculty members like bribery and allegations. The verification process is going smoothly only. There is not a false meaning they are using in verifying the students documentations and other verifications. So if you are thinking that there is something false meaning is going in the process, then you are completely wrong. And I'm also going to suggest that there are some students who share their false timeline, and once someone tell you a false timeline and some false information, then you make forward it to a friend and then they forward it to their friend. So these things causes the rumors which make a hype within the students. So stop doing this, and if you have any doubt, you can simply use the contact us form or mail them regarding to your doubt. So coming to the next point, it says APS is not an agent, it is a department of German Embassy in New Delhi. APS does not have any opening hours for public visit. In this, it is simply saying that it is a department that works under a German embassy. So it is not any private department. Actually, the APS is brought up because there are no slots are available for visa. So to get some more slots and to relieve the pressure from the German embassy, APS has been introduced. So it also mentions that APS does not have any opening hour for public visit. So the timing giving on the website is for your dropouts. Within this time period, they will receive your courier that you have delivered. It is not for public visit. If you have something special to inform them, you should only use the contact form. So coming further, it says applicants may drop off any documents between 9 a.m. and noon at gate 3 of RK Khanna Stadium as detailed in the contact us section of our website. APS will not entertain any case related queries. APS cannot guarantee access to its office for personal meetings. Like here it is completely saying that there are no queries regarding to the delivery will be entertained. So if you are facing any issue regarding to the delivery, you should directly contact your delivery company regarding to that problem. And also one thing, once you receive the verification mail, in that mail you also see that it is completely written as APS is not going to entertain any delivery status thing, not going to entertain our delivery status for your APS certification, delivery to your there is a problem, you got a verification mail today and there is a 1 month, within a 1 month if you got it, then it's okay. And if you still don't get your APS certificates delivered at your home, then you can contact to APS for the delivery status. Then they will give your tracking ID, anything or anything else, so that you can track your things. But regarding to delivery status, where your delivery status has been right now, where is your applications, when it will come, these type of queries will not be entertained. So going further, it says APS has contacted all German universities and asked for the list of admitted students for the summer semester intake. For the summer semester intake, they contacted the universities for the student list. These lists are currently priority of the APS processing in order to ensure that students holding a valid admission will make it to Germany on time. Who have got their admission letter, all the things done for the summer semester, they are going to get their APS certificates early if the university has sent their name on the list that the APS is having right now and giving priority to those students. It is therefore possible that certain cases will be processed faster than others which are not mentioned on of these lists. So if you visit them in person and your name is not on the list, but you all have a proof that you are a summer semester student, so it might be possible they will help you. But if you are having time, if you are planning for next year, for next semester, then it is no use wasting your money on the travel expenses coming to Delhi from all around the India, coming from south, Rajasthan, Gujarat, etc. So I will not recommend you to visit them if you are having time. If you are a summer semester student, then it might help, but it also clarifies that they are not going to allow a personal meeting to the faculty members. Instead of this, you should only have an option. You have to use contact us form only, or the email IDs that they mention. So last, it says that please refrain from repeatable mailing request and from attaching large file, as this might lead to a automated ban by the email provider. For queries, please use contact form. Here it simply says that within some last few months it is going to work that if you are mailing them 2 to 3 times every day, then they are boosting up your process, they are replying your mails. But now in the last point they clearly said that it is not going to work anymore. It might lead to a automated ban. If you carry on this type of things, that they will simply ban your email ID and it might delay your process further on. So I will recommend you stop doing this type of thing. If you really have something concern, if you mentioned your university name, passport number wrong, then you can mail them, but not this many times, or instead you should visit them in Delhi only. For intake, then you should wait for your turn, because as you can see that they clearly said that it's not working first come first will receive the APS. It is the one who really needs the APS urgently, those students are going to get priority. So you have to understand one thing. If you are applying for next year and you are mailing them I didn't receive payment verification, I didn't receive any delivery status, these type of things, so if you mail them, it will delay other students process, and eventually it also affects your processing time. So they have to read, they are reading all mails that you send them from day one to last day, but they only reply those mail who are really urgently, who are really need to be replied. So those mail are going to be replied. So in the end of the video, I am going to tell you some experiences, some of the students who got their APS certificates early on because they contacted the German university, not the APS. If you are try to contacting the APS, sending mails and doing other things, and hoping that they will boost up your process, you have very few chances for it. But rather, if you contact to your German university and say them to put your name in the list that the APS is getting, there is you have increased a lot of chances of getting your certificates early, and also it will help the APS faculty members to boost up other processes and as well as your processes. So thank you for watching the video. I am going to help personally to some of the students that I pick randomly when I hit the 50 subscribers. Then make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. If you have any other doubt regarding to the process, make sure to comment it down, or you can also join my WhatsApp group or pin me on Instagram. So see you in the next video.